Hey, today I'm going to talk about a new product I have and I've used. It's not a new product to me, but I want to share it with you because I think it's a really good product, and it's a wallet that I have. So years ago, I used to start out with a wallet like this, right? And so these wallets were great, really minimalist, but I just kept shoving stuff in there, and I wanted something a little bit easier to get things in and out. And I switched to a Travando wallet, which is my previous one is like this. I really liked it because in my office, I have to use these little security cards to get on computer systems and stuff. So having an ability to get in and out really quickly was a key. But I changed my wallet. And what I did is I found out Travando has a slightly thicker one. Because what I was having problems with is I needed to add a couple more cards and I didn't have room. So they came out with a slightly thicker one. And so today I'm going to show you what the unboxing is like that. So Travando, if you're interested in this product, it comes from Amazon. Links down in the description. I would really appreciate it if you ended up going through that link if you want one of these, because it helps out the channel a little bit. Doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so the box comes wrapped in plastic. I took the plastic already off, and it comes in a nice, neat little box like this. And what it is, we're going to open this up, and I'm going to show you what it's like today. So let's get to it. So it comes in, you slide it open, and there's the wallet. Pretty easy. Now, this particular wallet comes in a couple different ways. They have one with a clip on the back for like a money clip, and then one that's smooth like this one. And then technically, I guess this is a money clip as well. But really, I don't know. I like the smoothness of it. My only critique on these wallets is this really hard, this kind of label that, or not the label, but the logo that they stick out on the front. But I imagine they do that because it makes the mechanism easier to use. The wallets come in multiple colors. This one I got in carbon fiber style, but quite simply, let's take a look. Inside here you got the instructions down in the bottom in a card, and then there's a card that they slipped in the front here, and it is the guarantee to register your wallet. These wallets come with a 3-year guarantee, which I think is great. Mine has lasted a lot longer than 3 years, and like I said, I'm changing this wallet from my previous wallet because I have more cards I want to put into it. So let's take a look at the size difference between the small and the large, and you'll see it is very, very minimal. But what does that allow you to do is it allows you to add just a little bit more cards in there, and I only need to add 1 or 2. Because I have a couple of new things, VA cards and some credit cards and whatnot that I want to add. So why do I like this wallet so much? Well, the first thing is to make the cards come in and out. So I take all my cards that I want to store inside, and I'm just going to slide them in here. And boom, they're in, they don't move. It's really great. And you've seen there's lots of makers of these types of wallets, right? Real minimalist design, but other ones have like a lever on the bottom or a lever on this top that just kind of hooks in. This one is completely clean, nothing to get hooked on. And to get the cards out, all you do is slide this thing to the side, and you see the cards just pop up, and you can pick which one you want. So it's really, really handy to get those cards out of there, no problem. And then what I like is it has 2 pockets on each side. So the pocket on the front, that's where I usually stick my common use credit card out front. And then on the back are those 2 security cards that I have to take out every single day to get on the computer in my day job. And those get to slide right in the back. So I have real quick access to both cards, both sides, real simple. If I need that credit card, I just pop it out and go to it. So what do you think? I don't know. I like them. If you have some opinions, or if you've used these or different types of wallets, I'd really love to hear about it in the comments below. I'm going to be reviewing some more stuff in the future. One thing is why I carry around this particular card. I'm hacking this card to get some free travel. There'll be a video about that. So if you're interested, please link like and subscribe down below. Hit that bell so that you'll be notified when these new videos come up.